First of all, good evening, everyone. It's my pleasure to be here and wishing you all a very happy new year. And as you can see that our film is releasing Daku Maharaj on 12th of January. So please do go and watch it in theaters. It's a, it is a family film and you all are going to enjoy it. But I'm extremely grateful for all the love which we've been receiving from all over the globe, for especially for Dabidi Dibidi and for the film itself, the trailer, both the trailers and the Dabadi Dibdi, they have crossed, they're almost about to touch 20 million views on YouTube, which is such a big mark in such a short span of time. So it wouldn't have been possible without all you audiences. And I want to thank to, the God of masses, Balakrishna Garuji, that, to have me and in the part of your aura kind of energy which all your audiences, all your fans really enjoy. I think it has been such a big treat to be able to work with you, or I think they all are excited. And it is, again, as I said, like a blessing. Thank you so very much for such a world-class opportunity and for making such a big film. And the kind of trust and faith I have in you is more than what I have in myself. So yeah, I mean, we all have tremendous faith in you, and thank you so much. Keep making such an amazing films day by day, and I really hope and I'm praying that it really breaks all your films records and it emerges like a victory at the Makar Sankranti's Daku Maharaj. We all are praying really hard. So Thank you so very much. Thanks from the bottom of my heart. Also, I want to thank two wonderful, ultra gorgeous, beautiful, stunning actresses, Pragya Jaiswal, Shraddha Srinath, who I'm meeting for the first time. I'm really mesmerized with all your acting skills. You in Jersey, the Telugu version, it was really amazing. Your acting skills are par excellent. Same for you, Pragya. You are so gorgeous, and you know you have a very different and very beautiful aura. So I mean, you know, it is my pleasure to meet both of you, such a beautiful actresses. And hello to you. Hi, we're waiting for the first time, but so nice to see you. And our fight master, especially. I don't know, आप मेरे से नजरें क्यों चुरा रहे हैं वेंकट जी, but the kind of he has a very different level of friendship with the director. They all are always together, like a, I don't know, like a jodi they have. So yeah, but thank you so much for giving me such an amazing action sequences and for trusting me with all the kind of action which we have done in the film, which is going to be like a surprise. I'm sorry, I've said such a long speech, but I'm going to finish it. But thank you so much. Thanks to all the members of media for supporting our film. And don't forget Daku Maharaj, 12th of January.
Yes.
Thank
Book My
you.
Showలో టికెట్స్ ఆల్రెడీ ఓపెన్ అయిపోయాయి, మీరు బుకింగ్ చేసేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ వన్ లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ వన్ క్వాలిటీ దట్ యూ వాంట్ టు స్టీల్ ఫ్రమ్ బాలకృష్ణ గారు?
Oh my God, I want to steal a lot of qualities from him. He is filled with a lot of qualities. I think his energy, I want to be as energetic as him. And I wish, like, how he's so open and so, how he is like just so himself. You know, he does whatever he feels like. I wish I could have that kind of quality. And of course, he is such a big legendary superstar actor and a politician. Congratulations to you, sir. I really hope that, you know, I can have like a amazing, like a filmography just like him. So yeah.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఐ ఆస్క్డ్ ఫర్ వన్ క్వాలిటీ, బట్ ఐ థింక్ యూ హ్యావ్ అ లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ క్వాలిటీస్.
Yeah, because he has so many qualities. How can I say one quality about a person who is so magnanimous? Like,
గాట్ దట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ మీరు కొత్తగా రిలీజ్ అయిన ట్రైలర్ చూసారా?
yeah.
ద న్యూ ట్రైలర్, డిడ్ యూ వాచ్ ద న్యూ
Yes,
ట్రైలర్?
yes, I've
సో
seen
షాల్ వి వాచ్ ఇట్ వన్స్ అగైన్
Oh yeah, okay.
with Balay Babu garu together?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so let's
please.
have the release trailer, please. Thank you so much.